Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Now I am going to teach you about chemical reactions of haloarenes. The chemical reactions of haloarenes can be divided into following types: nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, reaction of haloarenes with metals. Okay, first chemical reaction of haloarene is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, already previous video you learned about nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes. Okay, haloarenes reaction also similar to that. Let's see one example of nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is an example of haloarenes. Okay, chlorobenzene contain halogen. Okay, halogen chlorine. Then arene, aromatic ring. Okay, so chlorobenzene is an example of haloarenes. When chlorobenzene react with the NaOH, undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction and form phenol. The final product is phenol. Chlorobenzene, chlorine is del negative. The carbon attached with the chlorine is del positive. Okay, CCl bond is polar. NaOH, we can write Na plus OH minus. Then here OH minus nucleophile replace Cl. OH replace Cl, Cl replace OH. So it is called nucleophilic substitution. Already you learned in haloalkanes, nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes. Okay, and here also the reaction is similar. Only difference is instead of haloalkane, here the compound is aromatic halogen compound, haloarenes. One example is chlorobenzene. Okay, then Na plus Cl form byproduct NaCl. Na plus Cl minus combine to form byproduct NaCl. Then OH take the position of chlorine, form phenol, and Cl minus removed along with the Na plus. Okay, or we can say Cl take the position of OH and form NaCl. So the main product is phenol. But here the problem, this reaction will take place only at high temperature. At high temperature and pressure. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes will take place at only high temperature and at high pressure, or we can tell like drastic condition. Reactions will take place only at drastic conditions. From this point, it's very clear nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes are generally difficult to take place. Or we can say haloarenes like chlorobenzene are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then one more thing, this kind of reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes, will take place only at drastic condition. Okay, aryl halides or haloarenes. One example is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene are extremely less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, nucleophilic substitution in haloarenes possible only at a drastic condition. Okay, other cases, other conditions, they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, then the question is, what is the reason behind it? Why haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions? Okay, I will give you the reason. Listen. Aryl halides or haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions due to the following reason. The first reason is a resonance effect. Okay, let's see the resonating structure of haloarene. One example of haloarene is chlorobenzene. Okay, in chlorobenzene, chlorine having lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron will donated to benzene ring, will shifted to benzene ring. Then in second structure, here you can see a double bond. After shifting this 2 electron, chlorine acquire a double bond, remaining lone pairs of electron will be here. Okay, after shifting electron, a double bond. Then after making double bond, see after making double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For making tetravalency, these electrons will shifted to this carbon. Okay, after shifting here negative charge. This negative charge again will shift to the next carbon. Okay, then this pi electron will shifted to para position carbon. Negative charge is now at this position. Okay, then like this negative charge will completely delocalized in the ring. Okay, and that delocalization of electron is called resonance. Okay, and how to draw the resonance already you learned from class 11th. So please refer that section again and understand this resonating structure. Okay, from all this resonating structure, it's very clear due to resonance there is a partial double bond character between carbon and Cl. See the second structure. Here there is a double bond. In third structure, see here a double bond between carbon and Cl. Next structure, fourth structure, again the double bond between carbon and Cl. Okay, so in haloarenes, carbon X here X is equal to Cl, CCl. Bond acquire a partial double bond character due to resonance. Okay, so it's very clear due to resonance in haloarenes between carbon and halogen a partial double bond character will form. Okay, due to this partial double bond character, nucleophilic substitution reaction become difficult. See here. C, here C, then Cl. Okay, then due to resonance there is a partial double bond character. Okay, I will draw here again one more time. Listen, chlorobenzene, due to resonance already I said there is a chance of partial double bond character. Then add NaOH. Cl is del negative, OH is negative. Then Cl negative and Na plus form NaCl. But for removing this chlorine, okay, for removing this chlorine or forming NaCl, this double bond should break. The bond should break. But due to the partial double bond character, CCl bond is strong. Okay, due to partial double bond character, CCl bond is strong. Okay, then it becomes difficult to break this bond. I repeat, to form NaCl, the carbon halogen carbon chlorine bond should break, but due to resonance there is a partial double bond character, and double bond is stronger than single bond. Okay, double bond is difficult to break. So what about the reaction? The formation of NaCl become difficult and reaction become slow. Okay, the tendency to form NaCl become less. Okay, then OH minus, due to this reason, OH minus cannot replace Cl minus. For replacing Cl minus, the Cl minus should move along with the NaCl. Okay, but due to the partial double bond character, the formation of NaCl become difficult. Okay, so substitution reaction also become difficult. But this reaction is possible when, if reaction is carried at drastic conditions. High temperature, high pressure, then there is a chance of removal of NaCl and substitution reaction. OH will replace Cl, because at high temperature, by using that heat energy, the carbon halogen double bond will break. Okay, at high temperature, by using that heat energy, the partial double bond formed between CCl bond will break. Clear? And this is the reason of less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution. Okay, let's read this paragraph. From this paragraph, you will get a clear picture of resonance effect in nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. Carbon Cl bond acquire a partial double bond character due to resonance. So already I told you, due to resonance, carbon Cl bond acquire a partial double bond character. As a result, the bond cleavage in haloarene is difficult. The bond cleavage of chlorine and carbon of haloarenes become difficult than haloalkanes. Listen students, in haloalkane, there is no resonance. Okay, there is no benzene ring, only alkyl group. So here there is no partial double bond character. So when you add NaOH, Na can easily replace Cl, because there is no double bond character in haloalkene. Okay, and double bond character only possible in haloarene. Okay, as a result, the bond cleavage in haloarene is difficult than haloalkene, and therefore they are haloarenes. Okay, example is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, etc. are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, this is the first reason behind less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay students, the next reason is difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon X bond. X means halogen, chlorine, bromine, etc. Okay, let's take one haloarene, benzene, then X, chlorine, bromine, etc. Okay, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Halogen is attached to this carbon. Okay, then what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybrid carbon. Why? Because carbon is attached with the double bond. So the hybridization is sp2 hybrid carbon in the case of haloarenes. But in the case of haloalkanes, an example is CH3, Cl. Okay, X here Cl. Okay, then hybridization of carbon attached with halogen is sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybrid carbon. Why? The reason is all bonds around carbon is single bond. Single bond case sp3, already you learned sp3. Double bond cases sp2, triple bond case sp. Okay, beginning of the lesson you learned that point. Then if hybridization is sp2, what about the percentage of S character? Percentage of S character class 11th you learned percentage of S character is 50 percentage. S character is 50 percentage. There are 2p, so 2p 50 percentage, total 100. Okay, out of 2p, each p is 25 percentage, 25 percentage plus 25 percentage, 50 percentage. Then S is 50 percentage, 50 percentage S character, then 50 percentage total P character. But in the case of sp3 hybridization, there are 3p1s. So S character is 25 percentage S character. Remaining 3p character makes 50 percentage P character. Each p 25%, total 3p, total 75 percentage. Now listen, class 11th you learned that percentage of S character, and this point is very important, is directly proportional to electronegativity of carbon, electronegativity of that element. Okay, so out of these two carbon, which carbon is more electronegative? Out of these two carbon, which carbon is more electronegative? Let's check the S character. In sp2, S character is 50 percentage. In sp3, S character is 25 percentage. So from this value, it's clear. In this case, S character percentage is more. So this carbon is highly electronegative, compared to carbon in the alkyl halide. Okay, then due to this high electronegativity, of carbon, the shared pair of electron will attract to carbon. So due to this attraction, the final result is shortening of bond length. The bond length Cx bond length become less. So bond length will decrease. This length will decrease. It becomes shorter bond length. Why? Because carbon is highly electronegative, so it is attracting. This carbon is attracting electron. Okay. Then due to this attraction, Cx bond length become short. But what about the Cx bond length in alkyl halide? Longer than haloarenes. Clear? Longer than haloarenes. Okay. Now my question is, out of haloarene and alkyl halide, which CS bond is difficult to break? Haloarenes. Because shorter the bond length, difficult to break. If bond length is shorter, that bond become difficult to break. Okay, shorter the bond, then difficult to break. So when you add NaOH into chlorobenzene, here S character, carbon S character is high, so electronegativity also correspondingly will increase. Due to this reason, it attract electron and CCl bond become short, and this bond becomes short and becomes strong. It becomes short, okay, then the bond becomes strong and difficult to break. So nucleophilic substitution reaction will take place slow rate. Okay, let's read the statements. Since it is difficult to break shorter bond than longer bond. Okay, in haloarenes, due to high S character, CCl bond is shorter, so this bond is difficult to break than longer bond in alkyl halide, and this bond length is larger, so it is easy to break. Therefore haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Clear? Okay. Okay students, the next reason is instability of phenyl cation. Okay, see, in the reaction of chlorobenzene with NaOH, okay, if reaction is taking place through SN1 mechanism, what is the first step in SN1 mechanism? Already you learned the first step is formation of carbocation. Okay, so the chlorobenzene reactant undergo cleavage from phenyl cation. Here the bond will break, then form carbon plus, then Cl minus. The second step, this carbocation will react with the OH minus. Phenyl cation react with OH minus from phenol. If reaction is taking place through SN1 mechanism. But the problem is the stability of phenyl cation. Normally in SN1 mechanism, the first step form more stable carbocation, but the phenyl cation formed in this case is unstable, or you can say less stable. Why? Because phenyl cation cannot stabilized by resonance. Here resonance is not possible. In the case of phenyl cation, resonance is not possible. Here ring is present, but the delocalization of electron is not possible in the case of phenyl cation. So read this statement. In case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation formed as a result of self-ionization. So what is self-ionization? The cleavage. Haloarenes undergo self-ionization. The bond break between CCl and form phenyl cation. The phenyl cation formed as a result of self-ionization will not be stabilized by resonance, and therefore SN1 mechanism is ruled out. Okay, the phenyl cation formed as a result of self-ionization is not stable, therefore the chance of SN1 mechanism is completely ruled out, and this reaction will not take place through SN1 mechanism. Okay, so this point is also a reason of less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. And the last and final reason is because of possible repulsion between electron-rich haloarenes. Listen, chlorobenzene is haloarenes. Okay, and this compound is electron rich. Why it is electron rich? Due to the presence of 3 pair of lone pair, then pi electrons, 3 pair of pi electrons. So all haloarenes are electron rich. Okay, read the statement again. Because of possible repulsion between electron rich haloarenes and electron rich incoming nucleophilic substitution NaOH. Okay, here OH minus is incoming nucleophile. This is a nucleophile. Cl minus is a nucleophile present in haloarenes. Then incoming nucleophile is already electron rich due to the presence of negative charge. Okay, and this negative charge and electrons present on the haloarenes will undergo repulsion. See, when OH minus attack on haloarene, there is a repulsion between electrons from OH negative and electrons present on the chlorine as well as on ring. So there is a possible electron-electron repulsion because both are electron-rich species. And due to this repulsion, the chance of reaction is less. Okay, so this is the another reason behind less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. But all these problems can be overcome by changing the condition of reaction. Change the condition into drastic condition like high temperature and pressure. So at high temperature and pressure, reaction can take place. Okay, one more thing, along with this high temperature and pressure, use electron withdrawing group in haloarine. For example, nitro para nitrochlorobenzene. Here nitro group is called electron withdrawing group. It withdraw electron from benzene, and this group will increase the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so presence of NO2 group will increase the reactivity of haloarenes. Okay, more detail I will tell you now. Listen. Okay, the presence of an electron withdrawing group like NO2 at ortho and para positions increase the reactivity of haloarenes. Okay, NO2 group at para position of haloarene. Next is NO2 group at para and ortho position will increase the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let's see here. Here temperature is only 443 Kelvin. Okay. For haloarenes, if NO2 is not present here, for haloarene, only for haloarene the temperature is 623 Kelvin. Okay. If NO2 present at para position, we can reduce the temperature from 623 Kelvin to 443 Kelvin. Why? Because the NO2 group at para position, para nitrochlorobenzene, are more reactive than chlorobenzene towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So temperature you can reduce it. Okay. Then product is Cl and Na form byproduct NaCl. Then OH replace Cl and form paranitrophenol. Okay. Then if NO2 present at ortho and para, then its reactivity become more than para nitrochlorobenzene and chlorobenzene. So reactivity is high. So what we can do? We can reduce the temperature again from 443 to 368 Kelvin. Okay. Then NaCl byproduct, then OH. Then you will get ortho para dinitrophenol. Clear? The next point is very important. The effect is pronounced when NO2 group is introduced at ortho and para positions. Okay. If NO2 group at ortho and para position, reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction will increase. Okay, and due to that reason you can decrease the temperature, you can reduce the drastic condition for the reaction. However, no effect on reactivity of haloarenes is observed by the presence of electron withdrawing group at meta position. Okay, if NO2 group present on meta position of haloarene, then reactivity will not change. Reactivity is similar to chlorobenzene. Reactivity will not increase. So at meta position, NO2 have no effect in the reactivity. Clear? Okay students, the next important reaction of haloarene is electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, electrophilic substitution reaction. Due to resonance, the electron density increases more at ortho and para positions than at meta position. Let's see the resonating structure of chlorobenzene. Okay, from this structure it is very clear. Electron density, negative charge, maximum at ortho position. This position is called ortho. This one is para. Okay, then this, okay, ortho, meta, para, then after para again meta, then ortho. Ortho, meta, para, meta, ortho. Let's see the resonating structure. Electron density, negative charge is maximum at ortho position of the ring. And second structure, para position. So ortho, para. Then third structure, again ortho. So it's very clear, due to resonance, electron density of haloarenes, electron density in haloarenes is maximum at ortho and para position. Okay, so electrophilic substitution reaction will take place mainly at ortho and para position. Okay, and about electrophilic substitution reaction and their mechanism, clearly you learned from class 11th. Okay, now we need only the examples. Okay, examples of different electrophilic substitution reaction. The mechanism is not required. Okay, and all electrophilic substitution reactions will produce ortho and para product. Now let's see the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. Examples of electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Haloarenes. First example is halogenation. Okay, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is an example of haloarene. Instead of chlorobenzene, we can take bromobenzene also for this reaction. Okay, chlorobenzene. Then halogenation means reaction with the halogen. Here halogen is chlorine. Okay, and this reaction taking place in the presence of catalyst anhydrous FeCl3, and this catalyst is very important. Okay, then now I will give you a shortcut to remember the product. The actual mechanism including FeCl3, role of FeCl3, the actual mechanism is not required in our class 12th syllabus. Class 11th already you learned the mechanism. So if any doubt, you just refer again that topic. Okay, now I will give you some simple shortcut to make the product. Okay, I repeat, this is not the actual mechanism. Okay, actual mechanism involve 3 or 4 steps. So the detailed steps given in class 11th textbook. Okay, Cl2, Cl. Then H from ortho position. H and Cl form byproduct HCl. Okay, and the first product is this. Chlorine. See, after removing H and Cl, only one chlorine is remaining. That chlorine will take the position of this hydrogen. Okay, so substitution, take the position of this hydrogen. Then form this product. And the name of this product is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. And the product amount is minor, low amount. Then exactly like this, another molecule of Cl2, again one more Cl2, we can write like ClCl. From para position, hydrogen present on para position will react to form again HCl, and remaining Cl will take the position of this hydrogen and form Cl now on para position and form 1,4 dichlorobenzene, and this product is major product. 80% product is this one. And why substitution take place at only at ortho and para, not at from meta position? The reason already I explained. It due to resonance, electron density is maximum at ortho and para. That is why Cl is replacing hydrogen from ortho and para position. Okay, meta position electron density is less. So electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes will not take place at meta position. Okay, and why this product is major product? The reason here electrophilic substitution, para position electrophilic substitution can easily take place because due to less steric effect. But here steric effect is more due to the presence of chlorine. The replacement of hydrogen from ortho position is difficult. Okay, due to this overcrowding or steric effect, meta product is minor. And next example is nitration. The nitrating mixture is HNO3 and sulfuric acid. Then HNO3, we can write like this: OH minus NO2 plus. It's only a shortcut. The actual mechanism is very lengthy. It's not required now. Okay. Then OH minus NO2. Role of sulfuric acid is removal of water. Concentrated sulfuric acid can act as a dehydrating agent. Okay. Then H from ortho and H from para. H plus, then OH minus from water. Okay, already I said sulfuric acid is help to remove the water. So byproduct is H2O. Okay, H2O. Then what is remaining? NO2. NO2 is electrophile. And this electrophile, NO2 plus is electrophile, replace H plus electrophile. So it is called electrophilic substitution. And NO2 position replace H plus from ortho position first. Then form 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene. And this product is minor because substitution reaction at meta position is less due to steric effect. Cl make overcrowded effect. So due to that overcrowded effect, minor meta product is minor. Then just like this, one more HNO3. One more HNO3. HNO3 we can write like this: OH minus NO2 plus CHNO3. Then OH minus and H plus from para position, because electron density is maximum at ortho and para. So ortho already finished. Now from para position, electrophile H plus will attract to the nucleophile OH minus and form byproduct minus H2. Then NO2 plus electrophile take the position of H plus electrophile at para position and form 1 chloro 4 nitro benzene, major product. Okay, H and NO2 will form here, major product. Clear? Next is sulfonation. Sulfonation means reaction of haloarenes with concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid we can write like this: OH minus SO3H plus H2S O3O O4, OH minus SO3H. Then H from ortho and para, because electron density of haloarene is more at ortho and para. So electrophilic substitution take place at ortho and para. Okay, so H from ortho, H plus and OH minus form byproduct water. H plus OH minus form water. Now what is remaining? SO3H, and SO3H will take this position and form the first product Br bromobenzene and SO3H at meta position, and the product is minor, already know, due to the steric effect. The name of the product is 2-bromo. Out of bromine and SO3H, priority of SO3H is more. So out of these two, SO3H is taken as functional group, Br is substituent. Okay, so this carbon you can give number 1 because SO3H is functional group. Priority wise, SO3H is more important than Br, and this position is number 2. So 2-bromo, second position bromine, then benzene SO3H, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene SO3H sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, just like this, one more H2SO4 replace hydrogen from para position. H2SO4, again we can write OH minus SO3H. This is only a shortcut, okay, to remember the product. The actual mechanism of sulfonation is not required now. Then H plus and OH minus. Then here there are 2 electron and SO3H plus will add to this carbon. By using this electron, 2 electron, SO3H will make a bond and form the major product 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position bromine, 4-bromo. Okay, out of Br and SO3H, SO3H is a functional group, more priority group. So Br on 4th position. 4-bromo benzene sulfonic acid, major product. Okay, clear? Okay, now we'll move to the another example of electrophilic substitution reaction of halogen. Okay, next example of electrophilic substitution reaction of halogen is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, there are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, starting compound is haloarine. Here the haloarine is chlorobenzene. Okay, for alkylation we can use any alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride. Here alkyl chloride is methyl chloride. A reaction taking place in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and this reagent is very important, and role of anhydrous aluminum chloride is explaining in mechanism. Okay, so mechanism of the reaction is not required. Okay, we need only the main products. Products are 1-chloro. Chlorine is the main group, so this carbon you can give number 1, this carbon number 2. So 1-chloro, first position chlorine. Okay, out of chlorine and CH3, which is more important? Chlorine. So 1-chloro, 2-methyl, second carbon methyl, 2-methyl benzene is the minor product. Then this carbon is 1, chlorine present on this carbon, so give number 1. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, ClCH3, priority of CH3 is less, so here you can give number 4. Okay, and the name is 1-chloro, 4-methyl, fourth position methyl, then benzene is the major product due to the less steric effect. Now how we can make the product? I will tell you one shortcut, just remember that shortcut. Okay, CH3Cl, Cl we can write del negative, CH3 is del positive. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction already you learned. Alkyl halides are polar in nature. Del positive, del negative. Then H from ortho position. Okay, and these two electrons will shift to this carbon and H become plus. And this plus, H plus and Cl minus combined to form first byproduct minus HCl. The first byproduct is minus HCl. Then remaining CH3, after shifting this 2 electron, here there is a negative charge, so this positive will attract to the negative. Okay, then CH3 will attach on ortho position. Okay, and here CH3 is plus, so plus means electrophile, and this electrophile replace H plus electrophile, so it is called electrophilic substitution. Okay, and substitution will take place at ortho position because according to resonance electron density more at ortho, as well as para position. Okay, then para position, one more CH3Cl will react with the para position. CH3Cl we can write like this: del positive, del negative. Then listen here, H, this electron first will shifted to this carbon and this carbon become negative, then H become plus, and this H plus and Cl minus form again same byproduct HCl, second molecule of HCl. Now here after shifting this electron, now here negative charge, and to this negative charge CH3 plus will add. Okay, and form major para product CH3. Okay, 1-chloro, 4-methyl benzene. Okay, H and Cl is removed. CH3 will add it to the para position. And here no other group, only smaller hydrogen atom. So steric effect is less. So this substitution is will take place easily. So the para product is always major product. Clear? Yes. Okay, and here you can expect a question like this: how to convert chlorobenzene? See how to convert chlorobenzene to 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. Like this case, you need to write only one product. No need to write the minor product. Okay, and why this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation? See the product. An alkyl group, methyl group is introduced on the ring. See, starting compound is chlorobenzene, but in the product a CH3 group is introducing on the ring. Okay, for introducing alkyl group, the reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, then next is Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Acetylation means the reaction used for introducing acetyl group on benzene ring. Now let's see Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Okay, in Friedel-Crafts acetylation, starting material is again haloarine. Here haloarine is chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene, or you can take bromobenzene. Then CH3COCl, acetyl chloride. Okay, then just like alkylation, anhydrous aluminum chloride also important. Then how we can make these products? CH3COCl, we can write CO like this, Cl. Then Cl is del negative, C double bond O. Okay, write like this, that is better. Okay, C double bond O, Cl. Then Cl is del negative, this carbon is del positive. Then H from here. Then first step I said this 2 electron will shifted to carbon. Then H plus and Cl minus form byproduct minus HCl. Now what is remaining? Here 2 electron, then CH3CO plus, and this plus will add it to this electron and form. Okay, here the positive charge. So CO will attach with this carbon, negative charge carbon, COCH3. The first product. Then name of the product is very important. Listen carefully. Out of this 2 group, priority wise this group is important. Okay, this group having more priority. There is a priority order for writing IUPAC name, and this group possesses more priority than Cl. So give number 1 to this carbon. COCH3 attached to this carbon, so give number 1 to this carbon, number 2 here. So second position chlorine, 2 chloro. Then this compound COCH3, this compound altogether called acetophenone. By heart it. Benzene, then COCH3 together called acetophenone. So 2 chloro acetophenol. Okay, here product is minor due to steric effect. Then just like this, para position CH3COCl, we can write one more molecule of acetyl chloride. Then carbon is del positive, chlorine is del negative. Here one hydrogen. First this 2 electron will shifted to this carbon. Okay, and this hydrogen become plus. After shifting, this hydrogen become plus, and this H plus. Okay, and why electrons are shifting to this carbon? Because we know here there is a double bond. Hybridization is sp2. S character is more. Okay, due to high S character, electron negativity of carbon is more. Okay, so this 2 electron will shifted to this carbon. Okay, and form C negative and H plus. And this H plus and Cl minus connected to form again the same byproduct HCl. Okay, so H plus Cl minus. Now what is remaining? CO plus CH3. And this positive part added to the negative carbon and form COCH3Cl. Then up to here the name of compound is, what is that? Acetophenone. Acetophenone is very important. Acetophenone. Then priority wise COCH3 is more important, so we can start numbering from this carbon 1 2 3 4. So 4 chloro acetophenone. Okay, and this question is very important, how to convert. Okay, many times CBSE asked this question, how to convert chlorobenzene to 4 chloro acetophenone. The answer is Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Okay, Friedel-Crafts acetylation, and in answer sheet write this equation also. Okay, for this case no need to write minor product, only write the major product. Okay. Okay students, the last and final chemical reaction of haloarene is reaction of haloarenes with the metals. Okay, reaction of haloalkanes with the metals already you learned in previous video. This topic is reaction of haloarenes with the metals. The first reaction is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Reaction of haloarenes with the sodium metal and alkyl halide. Okay, haloarene here example is chlorobenzene. Okay, in Wurtz-Fittig reaction metal is sodium. Metal is sodium. The starting material is any haloarene. Then second reactant is haloalkane or alkyl halide. Here alkyl halide is chloromethane. Okay, then product is toluene, benzene CH3, and the common name is toluene. Then how to make this product? It's very simple. Cl, then 2Na, and this Cl form 2NaCl. 2Na. Why 2 here? Because there are 2 chlorines in the reactant. One chlorine from haloarene, one chlorine from alkyl halide. Then NaCl, Cl, 2NaCl. Now what is remaining? CH3. That CH3 will introduce on the benzene ring and form the product toluene. Okay, and here you can expect a question like this: how to convert chlorobenzene to toluene? One type of question. Second question, directly write the reactions of Wurtz-Fittig reaction, because the reaction is a name reaction. Okay, next is Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction, again the metal is sodium, but the difference is here reactant is only haloarenes. Only haloarenes. In Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the reactants are haloarene and alkyl halide. Okay, Wurtz-Fittig reaction is the combination of Wurtz reaction and Fittig reaction. Okay, and this one is Fittig reaction. See Fittig reaction. In Fittig reaction, starting compound is only haloarene. Haloarene is chlorobenzene here. In this example, chlorobenzene with the sodium. Then 2Na, 2 chlorobenzene. Then 2 chlorine, 2Na form 2NaCl. Okay, we can write reaction like this: 1 chlorobenzene, then 2 sodium. Okay, there are 2 chlorobenzene, so write one more chlorobenzene. Okay, then Cla, 2Na, Cla, minus 2NaCl. Here you can write minus 2NaCl. Minus 2NaCl. Now what is remaining? Benzene. Then here, see here, these two are connected, form another benzene. This is the product, and that product is called diphenyl or biphenyl. Okay, how to convert chlorobenzene into biphenyl? Use Fittig reaction. Clear? Okay students, these are the main reactions of haloarenes. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, reaction of haloarenes with the metals. I hope you understood these sections. Okay, hello students. Next video I will teach you about stereochemical aspects of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this topic is related to nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes and SN1 SN2 mechanism. Okay, study well. All the best. Thank you.